Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automatically grant your customers access to your private community the second they make a purchase. To do this, you will need a few things set up: a community you've already created and a sales funnel with an order form. Let's dive in. First, navigate to your sales funnel and select your order form step. Under the configuration section, scroll down a little and you will see the offer type section. Here, make sure you select digital product. Next, click the plus icon to add a new digital product. Now name your digital product something like community access. Next, look for the resources section and click the plus icon to add a community. Now, we need to tell the system what they are buying. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select communities. Then click choose a community and select the specific group you want to grant them access to from your list. For this to actually work, you must also add a price plan to this order form. Otherwise, customers won't be able to buy it. In the price plan section, click the plus icon to add a price plan and choose an existing price plan from the dropdown. If you don't already have a price plan, click create a new one. Now click save to save the price plan. Once that is selected, simply click save again to apply the changes. One very important note before we finish: this access is tied directly to the customer's payment. If a customer cancels their subscription, the system will automatically remove their access to the community. The same thing happens if you process a refund for a one-time purchase. Their access is immediately revoked. And that's it. You now know how to automate community access and manage your members seamlessly.